The Audi MMI system controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. If you're experiencing issues like freezing or unresponsiveness, resetting the system can often resolve the problem. There are two main types of resets: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot restarts the system without erasing data. Hold the power button or navigate to MMI settings and select Restart. This is suitable for minor glitches. A factory reset restores the system to its default settings and erases all personal data. For newer systems like MMI 4G Plus, it typically requires using diagnostic tools like VCDS or visiting a dealership. Always ensure the car has a stable 12-volt battery charge before performing a factory reset to prevent complications. Before performing any reset, try basic troubleshooting steps. First, check fuses under the glove box to ensure they're not blown. Second, ensure your software is up to date via OTA updates in the My Audi app or USB. Third, clear the system's cache and settings to resolve temporary glitches. Common MMI issues include freezing, no sound, navigation errors, and Bluetooth disconnects. These often resolve with the basic steps above. If problems persist, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, which can provide clues about the underlying cause. Avoid resets if the issue appears to be hardware-related, such as a faulty screen. In these cases, seek professional repair. As of 2025, newer MMI systems integrate AI for proactive diagnostics, potentially reducing the need for manual resets. Remember that improper resets can void warranties, so consult official Audi resources or a qualified technician if unsure.